The latest issue in the medical marijuana movement, your safety. State and local lawmakers working to strike a balance between patient rights and how to keep the public safe. As News 3's Venice Toussaint tells us, uncertainty surrounding marijuana and driving laws could spell trouble down the road.
6,300 Nevadans are legal medical marijuana users. But what happens when these patients get behind the wheel?
If you have just a trace amount, you're guilty of DUI. And that's what needs to be changed.
Local attorney John Watkins has worked on marijuana cases. He sits on a state subcommittee on medical marijuana. And today the committee discusses a host of issues, including the laws for driving under the influence.
Let's say, for example, somebody smoked marijuana a week ago, 10 days ago, 2 days ago, 2 hours ago. How long does that stay in your body? How does the body metabolize that?
Nevada lawmakers are looking at how other states govern drugged driving and considering making changes to laws here. Right now, 11 states have zero tolerance laws, meaning you're presumed guilty if any marijuana or controlled substance is found in your system. 33 states like California have effect-based laws where it's up to officers and prosecutors to prove you're driving impaired. And 6 states, including Nevada, have per se laws.
We specifically set out various levels of controlled substances.
If you're caught with 2 nanograms of marijuana in your blood or 10 nanograms in your urine, in Nevada, you're considered to be impaired. But the problem with that,
I think the public would like to know what it means.
No one seems to know how much that is or how those numbers came about.
There is not much legislative history on how those numbers were prepared.
And if you ask Watkins,
it's also a constitutional problem because we have people who have prescriptions to use other medications. They're not impaired. They don't get arrested, okay? But people who are marijuana users lawfully will be arrested.
Watkins believes state laws on drug driving could see some changes as early as next year's legislative session. Venice Toussaint, News 3.